Ocean acidification is a looming threat, and scientists are panicking as it's gone up by zero point 0.1 this last year and has been responsible for glaciers melting, water temperatures rising, impure water, and the death of 5 million species. There is no current solution right now, and it hurts both SDG 14 and 15. But fear not, introducing Aquabalance Alkali drones. These are autonomous, water resistant drones that have been repurposed from farming. It'll spray out using its big, powerful motors, calcium carbonate, which is an alkaline mineral. People put it in water in order to lower the acidity and help coral reefs. It's the only thing that's worked in the past for coral reefs, and it won't hurt any deep dwellers. It has a pH meter in the epicenter of the drone, which can be dipped into the water to test to see if acidity levels are healthy. If it's healthy, it'll move away. If it's not, it'll use the NOAA scientific study where you need 1,000 grams to change the pH by zero point 0.5 and a change with depth of 10,000 gallons. Now, it'll just add the needful calcium carbonate and solve the issue quickly as it'll dissolve. Here is a code. Essentially, it'll use API edits and data exactly from the NOAA database, which is extremely reliable. Put the drone in the area, find the healthy range, and do the needful. Many people will buy this because the entire fishing industry relies on this. So these are coastal companies, and the government and philanthropists will fund this because they need to solve this issue, and we're the only one that does this the most cheapest way and effective way.